This video covers PowerSDR ke9ns version 2.8 and this is for setting time, synchronizing your PC's time clock, so you can use modes like FT8 that need an accurate PC clock. And so what you do is you launch PowerSDR in admin mode, meaning the icon on your desktop, you right click, you select run as admin, and then you'll have the ability to alter your PC's time clock from within PowerSDR. So you go to spotting, and you have two ways of doing this. One is over the internet. If you click the time sync button, it will synchronize your clock, and you get a list of time servers up here. If one doesn't work or they're busy, you can just keep retrying. The other way of doing it is to use WWV. Now, what I would do before you use WWV is try to find if you've got a strong signal. And right here, a 10 megahertz seems to be a fairly strong signal here. So what you do is you activate that. You select, okay, I'm going to use 10 megahertz, which is 3, and then you hit time sync button. And then now, and I'm going to zoom in here. This right here highlighted is what it's looking at. It's looking at the pulse modulation that WWV sends out for ones and zeros. It sends a frame that's got the time and the date. So it's going to try to find the first frame. So it's listening until it gets that frame. There you go. So that long delay that you saw was the start of the frame. So now it's picking up the ones and zeros for all 6 frames. Now sometimes you get a very strong signal on WWV, but you get a lot of fading. You know, the carrier is fairly strong, but the pulses on the end sometimes fade out. So sometimes you won't get the full signal, and then it won't work. It's almost done. Current time. Alright, so then it comes up with a pop-up here telling you that you must be in admin mode, otherwise it's not going to work, and then it decoded the time here. Now you could select to change your clock or not. I'm going to, and even though I'm waiting to click the button, it compensates. It automatically knows how long you took to hit the yes button, and then it'll update the clock.